Hi, it's a short video just to announce that we've released a full 9 module course for Azure Cloud Infrastructure for beginners. We're going to take you through an end-to-end real-world hands-on demos and guides and links to other courses and further reading to help you understand and get started with Azure infrastructure. So we're going to take a look at creating the resources from networks to virtual machines. How do we secure those networks and virtual machines? How do we enable SSL for that, for the server? And then how do we configure DNS IP configuration, as well as SSL for encryption to the web server. And then we take a look at how to test it, and a whole module on how do we get started with infrastructure as code, how do we set up our workstation, what tools do we need, and then how do we connect to Azure using the command line, and also how do we work with Azure bicep files and parameter files, and then deploy our infrastructure as code, and how to modify it and those kind of things. So it's a good starter course, and it'll give you real world hands-on experience.